Hello friends, welcome to Techknowledge. Vivo Y73 has launched in India as an affordable 4G offering. It comes with the MediaTek Helio G95 SoC, triple rear cameras, a 4000 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging support, and a full HD plus AMOLED display. The phone comes with a 6.44-inch touchscreen display. It comes with 8 GB of RAM. The Vivo Y73 on the rear packs a 64-megapixel primary camera. It sports a 16-megapixel camera on the front. As of the 12th of June 2021, Vivo Y73 price in India starts at 20,990 rupees. If you like our video, please subscribe and click on the bell option for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.